Alright, so hi Marcky Natics. Now, I've received overwhelming support for Takis Shelter, the one that I have reacted regarding the top 10 rescues of Takis Shelter. So I'll do one more reaction. Hopefully, this is not gonna be as heavy as the last one, because I've been receiving a lot of comments that Takis Shelter has always been doing a great job when it comes to helping out all kinds of animals. And in fact, there was one comment who mentioned that Taki knew all the names of the animals in his shelter. So yeah, thank you by the way for all your support, and I hope you like this reaction. So please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do click on the subscribe button and click the notification bell and click on the thumbs up. Thank you. So let's now react. This is top 10 most amazing animal rescue transformations of 2019 Takis Shelter. Let's start. Dodo. Exposed to doghouse or shelter. Skins and bones, yeah. Last time that I had, it's really skins and bones. Look at those fleas and ticks.
Dodo is excited because he go to Germany.
Wow, he's going to Germany.
Yes, and he has to learn a lot of languages too.
Yes.
He has to learn German, Spanish, Portuguese, and Romanian.
All these he have to learn now.
So that he can.
Dodo needs to learn all those languages.
All right, so he have to learn different languages.
Yes.
Dodo, bravo, Dodo.
Jane, what happened? Hit by a car? Oh.
Here is our new
Euthanize?
They say that she will
No.
not walk again, but we will try to do the best for her to walk. Yeah? She
Yes.
can feel her left leg.
Amazing
Every
Takis.
day we do a lot of exercises with the harness.
Go Jane. I feel bad for her. Wow. Most amazing family. Hydrotherapy. Amazing Jane. SPARCO.
Ωραία φίλε. Για κάτσε να το δω.
Kala-azar. What's that sickness? What happened to his face? Leishmaniasis? Leishmaniasis? What's that?
Poor guy, eh? But,
Oh, it's
you will see how
a condition
he will
affecting the
after
dog's liver.
20 days. He will look so much better. We have started therapy already.
And of course, love.
He's beautiful. Hey, Sparco!
SPARCO.
Τι είναι αγάπη μου, εντάξει. Sparco. Μπράβο, μπράβο. Hey, Sparco.
Wow, 3 weeks just passed and look at him. Amazing transformation of SPARCO there. literally never leaves
Come
Taki's
in.
side. That's how great his influence is to all the dogs and
Look at me, my
animals.
friend, SPARCO. Hey, SPARCO.
Hi, Sparkle.
So amazing dog. So amazing dog. Here's the dog.
Libby. Police dog mistreated.
You see, he's not coming to me at all.
What? Libby has been chained for 6 years.
Hey, lagapin mo.
Look at those reactions.
He wants to attack me. He wants to attack me, the poor boy. He's so skinny, look at him. Look at his nails.
Look at him, huh? He's like, he's scared, he's angry.
6
Mix.
years, this life.
Yeah.
Drinking water from here.
Where is the owner of this dog, Libby?
Look at her tail and her smile. Look at her tail and her smile. Hey, baby.
Hey, Libby.
Hi, baby. He was 6 years in the chain. 6 years she was in the chain, my friends. Now look at her. She's so much better.
She's a lot better.
This is very nice. Hey, Libby, bravo. You're a good girl, Libby. Good lady. She's like a mommy for them now. She's going inside with a scared puppy. And they are all
She's like a
together now
mom
there.
to all other puppies.
Hi.
Inez.
Is the dog alive?
Here for 40 minutes.
Tira kapi mo. Foto kay menore. Hey. Tanyoti ta podio tu lio. Che ti nurato nyoti. Ela kapi no dance. I don't think he will make it. Alright. We have to put it inside.
You have to make it,
That's
Inez.
not bad. Be careful your hand, eh?
Oh my god. The moan of the dog.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You have to fight for yourself. Look at that puppy.
Bravo, Tokoritsimo.
She couldn't walk.
Inez. Bravo, kapi mo.
Takis never gets tired of exercising dogs.
This is Inez.
I can just imagine the patience, perseverance that he has.
Hey, Inez. Inez.
Very friendly, Inez.
After a car accident, she was paralyzed. Now she's happy. Hey, Inez. Oh, look at you. Yes, come in. Oh, Inez. She's so
Who would have
happy.
thought that someone... Oh, that's Daniel. Someone thought to not live the other day would live another life. It's a cat. What's wrong with Daniels? Is it Daniels or Daniels? What happened? Worms eating his flesh. Look at that innocent face.
Here is the cat today. He's not wild anymore. He is so beautiful. He is so beautiful, my friends.
He is,
I love
he
him.
is.
Now he became a home cat now.
Despite him not having his tail, it did not hinder him from living. That's Daniels for you. With the help, of course, of Takis. Faith. aggressive dog.
Dogs. Today she have a big smile.
Wow.
She have a happy
You can see the
tail.
difference from the moment that
smile.
Takis got Faith to the moment that Faith is in right now. She loves Takis so much. Who abandons puppies? Cute creatures. Her motherly instinct got in. Black. Black was part of my first reaction video.
Τράβα το. Μην το φοβάσαι, μην το φοβάσαι. Περίμενε. Εντάξει.
He's quite aggressive at first. They're sort of traumatized. Good thing there are people like Takis and Takis Shelter to help these animals and not giving up on them.
Bravo, Black. Αγόρι μου. Hey, Black. Hey, Black.
Wheelchair. Black, please. Fetch. But I think we all know what happened to Black.
Bravo, Black.
Oh, thanks to Takis Shelter. And Phoenix.
Ναι, αγόρι, ναι. Ναι.
See the trauma that these dogs are experiencing with humans. We made them do this to themselves. That's not the right thing to do.
We will try later again and we will be very good friends soon, yeah?
Yay!
Poor guy, poor guy.
That's the dog's true nature. A loving one. Amazing.
Nay.
Oh.
He give me his paw.
Phoenix gave Takis his paw.
Come on. Don't bite me.
That's a good sign coming from a dog.
That's it.
The dog trusts the person.
Hey.
It's amazing.
Oh, you are just scared. Yes. That's it. Bravo. Bravo. Don't bite me there. Be nice. I love you too. Now he loves
We love you
me.
more,
I
Takis.
hug him. We play together. Look at him. We are
Phoenix.
good friends. Do you know who is this dog you are holding now? He's getting very well with everyone. Look at him with everyone. It's Phoenix, the boy who was aggressive. He tried to bite me. Now he's doing great with everyone. Look at him. Yeah?
It's nice to see the transformations of these dogs, these animals, from the hands of Takis, Thelma and Louise. Very terrible condition.
Yeah. Hey, come on. Come on,
To
baby.
think these are still puppies.
Be strong. Be strong. Be strong. We will make it. We will make it. I have no words, my friends. I have no words. You can see. You can see what's going on. All go to the very sick puppy. Nobody's going there. It's like they knew, and it's like they know, and they try to help. Thelma is better and better and better. And her stomach, you see, is going down. It's not so big as before. Hey baby, hey baby. Look at her, my friends. Is she getting beautiful now? She's getting beautiful.
She is. I just remembered my puppy Zeke, who likes to munch on things.
You naughty girls. And now, Luis, where are the cats now? What a
Playful
difference, my
Thelma
friends.
and
What a
Louise.
difference. Look
Indeed,
at
a
her
big
now.
difference.
Look at Thelma now. She's amazing. Luis? And look at Luis. Luis is more crazy. She's a crazy girl. Luis and Thelma together now. Look
To
at
learn more
them.
about how to adopt, it's
Look at them together.
takisshelter.org/adopt. Amazing. It's nice that we get to see the transformation of these dogs, these animals, from the hands of the chosen one, Takis, Theocritus, as is his real name. I'm happy that we have Takis in this world, and I hope, and I really hope and pray that there will be more people out there who's like Takis, who helps animals, who helps dogs in their own simple little ways. I'm a bit emotional, happy, really happy with those transformations. Because the fact that dogs or animals, they think of humans, human hands. When they see human hands, the first thing that came to their mind is inflicting pain, beating, because that's what they're used to, and it shouldn't have happened in the first place. Thank God, really thank God for having Takis Shelter in place, and really hoping that if you have what you call this, if you have enough enough space for your family to adopt a dog, please do so by visiting to Taki's website. Really, really thank you. Um, I'm really glad to have the chance to react to these videos because um, I'm able to I'm able to share my genuine thoughts of what Takis Shelter has been doing and what can we do to help them in the long run. Because again, Takis cannot just do it by himself. Yes, he may have done it now, but in the coming months, in the coming years, we need more like Takis.